Hey guys, so going for my first ride to Vandri Lake with the BAC Mumbai group. Let's see how it goes. Hey guys, so it is rightly said that in life you should always do what you enjoy, and you can see behind me the weather is amazing, mind blowing, and here are the bikes, the lineup. There are some on the other side as well. Amazing feeling, man. I'm really happy that I came for this ride. So here you can see some of the bikes that are here for the ride, and there are some more here. So guys, this is the lineup for the day with BAC Mumbai. Hey guys, BAC Mumbai, woo! And BAC England, woo! And that is my bike, and that is me. Hey guys, so here we are at another amazing location, and you can see behind me the waterfall that is there. It's really amazing. The bikes are parked here, as you can see, all Avengers, and all of them have gone down, and I'm going down now. And here is a closer view of that. Check it out, really amazing.